Hey y'all, so let me see if I can move this out of the way. Alright, bet. So hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Brittany from Brittany's Bubble. And I told y'all that I was going to have a video out for Thursday. It is currently 7:51 on Wednesday, November 20th. Right now I should be at the gym, but my body, specifically my pelvis, was like, nah, you're gonna be doubled over. And I was like, well, I'm still gonna work on something. If I ain't gonna be working muscles, I'm gonna be working my lips on YouTube. So this isn't the video that I had planned for today. I was gonna go over to Klaviyo today, and Klaviyo did their Q4 What's New webinar last week, and I was gonna go over that. But I was on my other YouTube channel, my personal YouTube channel, which also happens to be the YouTube channel that I am reviving, Brittanimychelle. I'm going to link it somewhere in this video. It's going to be like my beauty personal, while this is more productivity. But this YouTuber that I watch, she does anti-MLM content. I am obsessed with anti-MLM content. As a former It Works, I sold the wraps, and then the coffee made me sick and I just got out of it. But as a former ML, I like to watch the anti-MLM content, so I know I won't crazy. So I watch her. Her name is Erin. I think it's Erin Bies. Her Instagram, I love her Instagram name because her Instagram is the real beast mode, but it's spelled like her last name. And I like that because anybody who knows me knows I love Marshawn Lynch, and I collect Marshawn Lynch and Marshawn Lynch accessories, including various beast mode items. So I was like, cool. But anyway, she was like, follow me on Bluesky. And I'm like, girl, what's Bluesky? And I'm looking at the little screenshot that she put in the little community tab, and I'm like, girl, that's Twitter. That's are you sure? Did Elon change the name? So I went and I Googled it because I'm not on social media anymore. I don't know what's going on. I'm on there for work. I know the Norfolk State basketball team is winning because I follow Norfolk State on my work page because they're local to where I am. But aside from that, I don't know what else is going on in the world. So I did some YouTubing because I'm mostly on YouTube. And come to find out, Bluesky, from what I understand, Bluesky was created by the guy who made Twitter, and it was part of Twitter for a while. And then they broke off after they sold to Elon, and it was invite only. And after the election, the right-wingers, I guess, took over X, Twitter. Their mama named them Twitter, so I'm gonna call it Twitter. And they said over 1 million people went over to Bluesky. So I'm like, interesting. And then in the back of my mind, I'm like, why couldn't Threads do this? Don't nobody want to be on Threads? And Threads is kind of fire, if you follow the rules. Threads can be cool if you follow the rules. I didn't follow the rules, and they kicked me off. I don't think they wanted to monetize me, but they kicked me off of Threads because I wasn't following the rules. Pro tip, you cannot drop a location of a random 7-Eleven in your city and tell somebody to come there to fight you. But that's another story probably for the other page. But anyway, let's get into Bluesky. Let's see if they have a URL website. I guess it's Blue. Okay, I was already looking it up. So yeah, so this is Bluesky, and let's go in. Social media as it should be. Find your community among millions of users. Unleash your creativity and have some fun again. Okay, let's see, because this is supposed to be old school Twitter. So let's see if we can just go in, and it looks like Twitter. It looks like Twitter. So it does look like old school Twitter. Should I make an account? Because I'm not going to be really using this account. Let's see. Discover feeds. Okay, so it has different feeds. So custom feeds built by the community bring you new experiences and help you find the content you love. Okay, so let me go into the feeds real quick before I commit to a page that I'm not going to use. So of course I don't know how many people are from my Instagram page or Facebook or who know me personally, but I am a diehard Raiders fan. Win, lose, or tie, Raider Nation until I die, unfortunately, because we're playing like crap. But that's neither here nor there. But I was very active on Raiders Twitter. So let's see if there's a Raiders blue sky. Let's see. Red. I'm a red. Okay. Let's see. Las Vegas Raiders. Let's see who up here. Okay, Zamira White won't practice. Let's see if there's any familiar people up here. Let's see if Honcho up here. Or Mitchell Rins. They still probably over on Twitter. Okay. Brock. Okay, so this seems kinda, hey Max, I love you, Max. Anyway, this seems like, okay, Lucille. Is that Lucille? Oh, okay, Lucille. I see somebody I know. Hey, Lucille. So there's one person, but it seems kind of calm. Anybody who's part of Raiders Twitter knows that Raiders Twitter is not calm. But this seems like they haven't switched over yet. So trying to see if there's anybody else I know up here. But I just see Lucille. I think I know Sean. I know. Wait. He looks familiar. I think I know him. I'm just on these people's pages. I don't even know if they want to be on YouTube or not. But it doesn't seem like, aside from Lucille, it doesn't seem like anybody like popular on Raiders Twitter is over here yet. Which is a good and a bad thing because it seems kind of calm over here. So let's see what else they got. Is there a black blue sky? Let's see if there's a black blue sky. There's not a black blue sky. So I don't know if I want to log in. Oh, there's a black sky. Never mind, black sky. Okay, so let's see if anybody from Black Twitter is over on Black Sky. I don't know none of these people. I do not know any of these people. And like, if I was on social media still, like if there's one thing I know how to do is grow. I didn't even realize I knew how to do this, but I've been a writer my whole life. So if there's one thing I know how to do is how to grow and how to work with the algorithm on things like Twitter. Like before I deleted my main Twitter, well, my first one had like maybe 6,000 followers on it before I deleted it, and then I made a new one and I got it up to like maybe like 3,000. Then I deleted it, and then like I did like a little burner page, which before I was like, you know what, I'm quitting social media. I had grown it to like maybe 300 followers in like a week. And then of course on Threads, like I was up to like 3,000 before they banned me. So like I have a niche for like growing on social media pages, like microblogging apps, but I don't want to go back to this. Life is so much more peaceful. Oh, there go which Phil is this? Oh, this is the news Phil. I thought this was another Phil, but the news Phil is up here. You know, he's on all the microblogging. I thought that was Phil from The Unfiltered Truth. I thought I was still on Raiders. Oh, so I don't see anybody else up here. And like even here is more calm. Like I feel like I need to log in, but okay, yeah. So okay, it's looking real Twitterish over here. The more I scroll, it's looking real Twitterish over here. So what I'm going to do is let me sign up. Okay, I'm gonna sign up. I will be right back. Okay, so before I sign up, I noticed that they said like you can host your data, so you can like, instead of using Bluesky's hosting. This is interesting. Let me go through this because you can use your own server. Let me see what this is talking about. So can you make your own Bluesky? Like, let's see. Self-hosting a Bluesky PDS means running your own personal data server that is compatible federating with the wider AT Pro network. Okay, like I'm STEM, but I'm not that STEM, so I don't know what they're talking about. I know what a DNS is. So like self-hosting, so does that mean you can like add your own domain or something? Like you can make your own Bluesky? That is great. So like you can like, I can do Brittany's Bubble and I can do like chat.brittany'sbubble.com. Like that's crazy. Okay, I don't like, you can use the app. This is great. I'm gonna have to look into this. This is really interesting, and it's can be useful for content creators that want to have like their own domain for like something like this, like basically their own Twitter. But I'm gonna have to look into it and see the ins and outs of it. But it seems like you can put your own domain on Bluesky. But anyway, like I said, I'll be back. I am going to create an account. So I'm back and I have a Bluesky account. Interesting. So you can follow me at all this Brittanimychelle.bsky.social. It's a lot, but yeah, this is my little profile. You can go in and you can edit. You can put your display name. Let me see. And then what do I want to put by myself? YouTuber, medium writer, beauty person, content creator. Just putting stuff in there just to put stuff in there. Tea lover. Okay, so save changes, and then it tells you, wait, can you put you can't put no links in here. You can't put no links. Okay, so you can't put no links. Let me write my first, what do you call these? Verify your email. Okay, they want me to verify my email. Let me see if I can get this from, okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so now I'm back, and it's
I hope you're having a good day.
Alexa, well, nobody talking to you. Okay, so yeah, let me write my first Bluesky, my Bluesky, my thing. Okay, alright, let's see what I'm gonna write. Hey y'all. Oh, not all caps, I don't want to yell at y'all. Hey y'all, this I'm recording a video. It will be up at midnight tonight. And can you add links? I don't know if you can you add links? Oh, you can add another post. Can you add links? You can add emojis. There's no more emoji. There we go. Can you add links? What is my YouTube link? How do you okay, what's my YouTube girl? Where is my YouTube link? Where do they be putting the YouTube link? Okay, that's studio. Oh, I'm on the computer, so okay. And then paddle. And then post. And voila, I am on Bluesky. So from what I've noticed, it is just the old Twitter interface. It's the same Twitter colors. I wonder if you could do no, because like why am I whispering? You know, like the OG, if you OG on Twitter, you remember like they used to be able to give you, let me see, because you remember like you used to be able to do like a background. Like they had like I don't think they had the top thing. Let's see, appearance. But no, like I wish I had a screenshot. Like back in the day, this right here, like you could put like a background. Cause I remember I was modeling back then, so I had like my model picture like as a background. That would be fire. Okay, so they got the getting started. So it says teach our algorithm what you like, and then follow 7 accounts. So if you do 10 posts, then it'll show the algorithm what you want to see more of. And then you follow 7. I don't even know who's up here. I'm gonna follow Lucille. How do you? No, I don't even like. Okay, I can't find her, but I'm gonna go up. Okay, DMs. There's nothing going down in the DMs. There's no notifications. They got the hashtag. So my feed, discover. Okay, that's my feed. Got user list. So this seems cool. Like I'm gonna add black sky. I might go into cat pics. Okay, where is Raider? Let me go back into Raider. Oh, is there 2? Okay. How many Las Vegas Raiders skies? Okay, so here are people I know. There's people I know in this one. So there's Josh. It's mostly just Josh. I think this is Josh. I didn't even see who was in here. Okay. So yeah, there's like 2. And like, I'm not even worried about, because I'm probably not gonna be up here. This just might just be a way for me to, oh, Erin, let me follow Erin, because she's the reason I'm up here. There she is. Let me follow her because she's the reason that I'm actually up here. And then make sure you follow her channel. I don't think they can put YouTube, but she's Erin Bies. If you like anti-MLM, follow her. So, okay. So basically, this is Bluesky. My initial impression of it, it has potential. I feel like if this is what they'll need to do if they're trying to destroy Twitter X. This is what they're gonna need to do. Because Threads, Twitter X is like the Wild West. Threads is like the church. Like, we need a happy medium. Like, I want to have the freedom of speech, but at the same time, I don't want to be called a slur because you don't agree with what I'm saying. So like, it needs to be a happy medium. It needs to be a little bit more pleasant, but it can't be as extreme as Threads. As somebody who's been on Twitter X, as somebody who's been on Threads, and somebody who's doing Bluesky can go in and be the happy medium where everybody will be happy, and it can work. Like, it already has 1 million new subscribers on it. 1,000,001 if you could include me. So I think it has potential. So y'all can follow me on here. Like y'all saw, I'll put it in my description. I don't know how active I'm gonna be on here, but I got a account. I might, if anything, just post my videos and my Medium blog here. But yeah, that is my review of Bluesky. I will leave the link in my description as well for Bluesky if you want to sign up and see what's going on. But for now, I am